everyone! Today we're going to draw Cinnamoroll from Sanrio, and he's one of my favorite characters, but I still don't know if he's a he or a she. I don't know. I mostly call him a he. Okay, so let's get started with our cute little Cinnamoroll. So let's get started with its ears. So we're gonna come down and curve like that. Okay, and from here we're gonna connect the other side. Cute. Now let's make its head connecting to the other ear. So we're gonna start from here. So cute. Okay, now let's continue from this side, and it's gonna come down. I'm leaving this area because, you know, the ear as I left over here. So we're gonna connect it to the other side. So cute. Okay, now let's make the body of Miss Cinnamoroll. Then I will make the ear. So bodies like that. And this is the feet of Cinnamoroll. And these are some of the detail areas. Parts. This is, I think, one hand of it. Yes, it's the hand. And this is the second hand. Cute. I actually like it. Okay, now let's continue making the foot. Yeah, like that. This is one foot. This is the second foot. And we're gonna connect it to the body. Okay, that's so cute. Now let's make the second ear. So the second ear starts from the same. Yeah, it just has this thing as a detail part. So we're gonna come down and curve. Okay, and connect it. Yes, like that. Cute. Okay, now let's make its eyes. So it doesn't have details in its eyes. They're simply black. That looks creepy, but as soon as we color in it, it's not creepy at all. Okay, and the second eye. Okay, great. Now let's make its cute little smile. So Cinnamoroll's smile is kind of creepy, but different from all of us. So its smile is like a W. Yes, like that. Okay, so preppy. Cinnamoroll. Okay, now let's make a heart for details. So I'm gonna make it over here. So he's thinking, oh, she's so pretty. Yeah, something like that. Okay. And the other side. It's so cute. Do you like my Cinnamoroll? Do tell me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching my videos. See you again. Bye.